Hi and welcome to Full Throttle Construction. Today we are going to show you how we made our bar top for our outdoor kitchen. This video is mostly made out of a time lapse. In the picture on the screen now you can see all of those projects we have made, those we are going to make, and the future coming projects way up in the distant 2024. This video is part of a series showing you how we made our outdoor kitchen, and today we have reached the point where we're going to pour the concrete bar top. It was quite the adventure. We'd never made a concrete bar top before, so if you want to find out how it went and if it was any good in the end, stay to the end of the video. First we had to make the formwork, and it was quite an adventure with all those braces that you can see in the picture there. A tremendous work went into getting everything flat and level. We also needed to take into consideration that everything needed to be able to come off. The bar top in itself was huge, roughly 3.5 by 3.5 meters, or that's 11.5 by 11.5 feet. On top of that we needed to include the place for the pizza oven. As soon as the base was flat and level, we needed to focus to make the edges so it would become more like bathtub-like, and it was approximately 90 millimeters thick. As we never have done a bar top like this before, we had really no idea if our formwork would stand the weight of all that concrete we needed to pour today, and it was very much. About 1,000 liters, 264 gallons, and that would weigh approximately 1,600 kilos, so it was a lot. Undaunted by the task, we just strived ahead and made all the preparations as good as we could, and now I'm going to let you watch the pour in a time-lapse video that we pre-made, so enjoy. And as you can see, it turned out quite alright, and here you can even get a little sneak peek to a future coming video for the roofing, which Rebecca's working on. And now we'd just like to say thank you for watching, like, subscribe and comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.